There's someone listening to me. You have had a heart murmur, literally a condition where one of the valves in the heart has not been opening and closing properly. You've got your hand laid on it. The doctors have diagnosed this. They heard something. They don't know whether they have to do surgery or not. You will go back to your physician, and the physician will, don't take my word for it only, believe what I'm saying, but you go back to the physician, let them verify the murmur. They won't hear it anymore. The valve is closing. The Spirit of God is healing. People, lay your hands upon yourself. If you pray in the Holy Ghost, pray in the Spirit right now. Thank you, Master. Thank you, Master. Someone with a back condition is being healed. Someone with extreme, like bursitis in the right shoulder, up in the right quadrant of the shoulder, the top half, over into the arm. Pain has been literally tingling, and you haven't been able to lift your arm. Just lift it up. The power of God is healing you. Why? Death is being swallowed up in victory.